Hey guys, so Valentine's Day is coming up very quickly, which is my favorite day of the year. I love Valentine's Day. Like, I can't even tell you how much I love Valentine's Day. I always have, and it's just, I don't know, it's my favorite. So I have these gorgeous earrings from Target, you guys. Oh my gosh. I seen them and I was like, they're calling my name for sure. So today I'm going to show you how to get the perfect red kissable Valentine lip. We are going to start off with lip care. Super, super important. So the first thing you want to do for those kissable lips on Valentine's Day is use your lip exfoliator before you apply your makeup. So whenever you're washing your face that morning, just go ahead and do the little lip exfoliator, and that is going to make all the dead, dull, flaky skin like disappear. And they'll be so smooth. Then I'm going to take lip bonbons, and today I'm just using, I think it's vanilla milkshake. Yep. And after we exfoliate, we want to hydrate. Tons of vitamins in these lip bonbons, you guys. So smooth. So I just like to let that kind of get rubbed in. Then I'm going to take Popular, which is our red liner, and I'm just going to line our lips. This is just going to help the color stay in place and not kind of leak out the small wrinkles in our lips. I feel like red lips will always make me remember my grandma. So I don't really remember my grandma wearing makeup. She liked to have her nails painted, but I don't really remember her ever having makeup on. But she always had red lipstick in her bathroom, and it was bright red, you guys, like the brightest red. But I don't really remember seeing her wear that, but it will always make me think of her because I thought I was just so special whenever Grandma let me put it on to play. So thought I'd share that memory of red lips. And I just like to make it a little more filled in. Just like that. So next I'm going to take our Liquid Splash lipstick in Stubborn. Look at that gorgeous red, you guys. Woo! I just like to make sure that it is blended really well into that liner. Okay, now you could stop right here and have that gorgeous red lip just like this. Or you could take it a little further. I'm going to use concealer just a drop. Let me show you. I'm just ombreing that red out, you guys. Make sure it's nice and blend it. And then you can always use the leftover concealer to kind of carve out that bow. And I just keep wiping it off the brush before I touch, so that way I don't smear the red into it. Now, if you want to have even more fun, where's that little cup? You can take your highlighter. This is iridescent. And that is just gonna make them shimmer even more. Then, just for a little bit of gloss, ooh, I think I'm gonna go Lucius, maybe. And that, my friends, is the perfect kissable red lip. I hope you guys like this. If you would like to order any of these colors, just let me know. It was Popular Liner. Where'd the lipstick go? Stubborn Liquid Splash Lipstick. Lucius Lip Gloss. Even this gloss alone, you guys, so much color, beautiful. And then I used Iridescent for the highlighter and Scarlet for the concealer. And that is my perfect Valentine lip, you guys.